Understanding the phrase, soft on, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, soft on. This is a phrase you might come across in movies, books, or in everyday conversations. It might sound a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. The phrase, soft on, is an idiomatic expression in English. To be soft on someone or something means to be lenient, gentle, or not strict enough. It can be used in various contexts, such as parenting, teaching, management, or law enforcement. For example, a teacher might be soft on a student if they overlook their mistakes and do not enforce strict discipline. A parent could be described as soft on their child if they allow them to do whatever they want without setting firm boundaries. Now that we know what soft on means, let's look at how we can use it in sentences. Here are some examples. 1. The manager is too soft on the employees, and as a result, they don't take their deadlines seriously. 2. Her parents are really soft on her. She never gets punished for anything. 3. The new teacher is soft on the students, but they seem to be responding well to his teaching style. It's also important to understand the subtle difference between being soft on someone and being soft with someone. When you are soft with someone, it means you are being gentle and kind in your interaction with them, but it doesn't necessarily imply leniency or a lack of discipline. For instance, a nurse might be soft with a patient to make them feel comfortable, but that doesn't mean she is soft on them regarding following medical advice. And that brings us to the end of our video on the phrase, soft on. We hope this has clarified the meaning and use of this phrase for you, and you now feel more confident in using it in your own conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in context is key to mastering them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.